In this video, I'm going to unbox and test the smallest ESP32 board on the market. It came in a nice plastic container with protective foam. Despite it being small, this board can do a lot. It also came with some header pins and an antenna to increase its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth range. As you can see, there's a large size difference between the regular ESP32 and the ESP32 Xiao. Make sure to install the ESP32 library. It will take a few minutes or so to install. As you can see, there is a compilation error. We need to select the Xiao C3 option. Now we can upload code to the board. Let's test our board with a basic blinking LED setup.